Hey guys, just want to do a quick follow-up video here. As you can see, it is running. However, like with a lot of stuff you buy, buyer beware. It's smoking really bad out of the right side. Sounds like it's got a scored piston, broken ring. Not quite sure. When we did a compression check on this, we did have one cylinder on the right side that was at over 90 psi, but compared to the rest of them, that was low. You know, it could have came back once you ran it in a little bit, but this isn't coming back. This is smoking really bad. This is a friend of mine, so it's not mine, but this might be the end of this for at least my part in it. I was really just trying to get it running for him and see what we had. But I appreciate all your help and appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.